Hey Craig, can updating my bathtub improve the overall functionality and accessibility in my bathroom?
Oh my gosh, depending on your level of mobility and your ability to get around in general, let's say that you have a tub with a really tall 19 or 20-inch rail on it, and it's hard to step over and get in there. I can take that rail down to 15, 17, 13 inches even, or we can put in a shower base like this where it's only a 4-inch step to step over into the shower. You add safety grab bars, and now you have a safe place to bathe. Now, for some of our older customers or maybe customers with real mobility issues that are a little more extreme, we have this Alexis walk-in tub. Now, come around here, you can see that see all the jets that are in that tub, and then down here at the bottom of the tub there to massage the back of your legs and your feet. It has a dual drain system in the tub, safety grab bar for getting in and out easily. It comes with a padded seat and neck rest. It has aromatherapy, chromotherapy, right, which is we turn on the light, that's very soothing. And then we can adjust the velocity of the jets. We can adjust the velocity of the air bubbles and control the environment the entire time you're in there.